Hey y'all, it's Danny Nicole and we're back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be styling with KeraCare's Curl Essence line. I'm starting off with the moisturizing conditioner because the Target I went to didn't have any of the co-wash, but as you can see this conditioner was very slippery and offered a lot of moisture. While we're at it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you're already here in this many seconds into the video. Okay, thanks. I'm going to go ahead and detangle section by section as I always do. And the consistency of this conditioner definitely helped with that. I do assume that the co-wash has like cleansing properties, but that's fine. My hair is really not too dirty. I mean, we're co-washing 3 times out of the month and then shampooing, so it'll get its clarification soon. But now that we have this section fully coated and detangled, I'm going to go ahead and twist it up. We've gone through this method like so many times now that I'm not going to show more than this one section. But just as a pro tip, as always, make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled at this phase because we're not going to detangle any further. My hair is all done, coated in conditioner, detangled, and bam, that shedding is still staying low. Like, I am here for this. Like, stress levels be gone. Loose hair be gone. Out of the shower, and I kind of kept my hair separated a little bit different this time. I tried something new. We'll talk about that on another day. Just know it didn't work out. Section by section, we are going to apply more product and start styling. For the leave-in, because Target also did not have their leave-in, I'm going to apply the KeraCare Moisturizing Curl Activator. This product was not as slimy as the conditioner, which kind of threw me for a loop, but hey, whatever. I went ahead and coated it, and I will say this is about 1/3 of that half of my hair, so just know I didn't put that much on a small twisting section. Then we're going in with the moisturizing curling cream. This stuff was kind of thick. I just took that much, and as you can see, the slimy consistency was back. I applied that much on the small section that I was going to twist, and because the product didn't like fully absorb into my hair, I was kind of worried about like just product residue and flaking and everything, but we're gonna get to that at the end of the video. As I was applying this, my hair was not getting as smooth as it usually does with curling creams, so I did have to go in and detangle a couple times as I was twisting my hair, so that kind of threw me for a loop. The shine definitely was there, but as you can see, there was still a lot of product residue on my hands. Because I still had that much, I didn't apply any additional product to the remaining sections. I basically just used what was on my hands until that was done, and then grab more product as needed. I'm going to go ahead and just do these two on camera because y'all already know Dana is a 3-strand twist out queen, and if you wanted another detailed tutorial, you would have let me know in the comment section by now. Thanks. My hair is all twisted now, thank goodness, because I was definitely ready to eat. There is some slight residue, but it did go away. Of course, we're going to slate edges, and I didn't show you what I'm using, but it's the same thing as always, the Murray's Edge Wax. I really love that stuff. Like, I can't get enough of it. Edges are getting slain. Almost said slayed. Let's not act like we don't know no better, Dana. And we are just like thugging it out. Y'all say hi to Karen. Hey Karen, cute self. She is bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I love it. Hair is all twisted up and now it's dry. It was a real quick transition, but I let it dry for like a full day, 2 full days actually. As you can see, some of the twist did unravel, and those products did not do a good job at taming my ends, which, as you remember, was something I was kind of worried about since it wasn't getting smooth as I was applying it. I'm just going to go ahead and take this down and see what happens. Taking these down was pretty easy. As I was taking it down, there was like a residue that accumulated on my hands. Kind of felt waxy, but the definition and the shine was definitely present. All of the twists are taken down, and that front piece underneath my bangs, that also kind of threw me for a loop. Like, I know my hair is a different length in the front, but never had that problem with any other styler. So there was just a lot of I don't want to call them red flags, so I'm gonna call them yellow flags. A lot of yellow flags that kind of made me think, you know, did I apply this right? Because my technique is always the same, so I know it wasn't my technique. It has to have been the products. Moisture and shine definitely present. Like my hair is glowing. Like hair is definitely just shining up a storm right now. But something was definitely off. As I was taking or separating more, that waxy film on my hands continued to accumulate, and I just was kind of worried. There was not much volume in my hair, there was no shape, and I'm just kind of like, I'm gonna let y'all hear the rest. So I'm not going to do the whole like go beat my face, come back and feel glamorous, because I'm not feeling this twist out. Like, yeah, it's super shiny and my hair is definitely very moisturized, but I think that it's too moisturized, and I didn't think that was going to be a thing. But it kind of feels like my hair never dried. Although while my twists were together, they felt kind of like that they were drying out, because I watched a lot of reviews on the KeraCare Curl Essence line, and everybody said that like they definitely delivered the moisture, and they do. Some of the things that I heard definitely rang true. Like one of the reviews that I watched, she said that, you know, with the conditioner being so like slippery and slimy, she was expecting it to stay, you know, be super moisturizing, and it was at application, but when I rinsed it out, it kind of felt like the moisture kind of went out with it. So I can understand or appreciate the amount of moisture that's packed into, you know, the styling products, but this is not gonna last. Like, I run, you guys know that I go for runs almost every day. Like, I know that my hair is gonna sweat, my roots are gonna sweat, and to a certain extent, some of the style is gonna be, you know, not ruined, because since it's my roots that's sweating, generally I can let my hair down and it'll just be voluminous, you know, like there'll still be curls at my ends, but I don't like. The products are very moisturizing in that, one, when I sweat and like my body heat starts to build up, this curl is gonna be done for. It's gonna be done for both at the roots and at the ends while I'm wearing my bun. And two, my hair is very weighed down, as you can see. Like, I know that I have my hair kind of like all at one length because I'm trying to go for waist length, but never have I ever had a twist out that felt like this. Like, everything is down. There's no volume. Maybe if I do a middle part. Like, there's nothing at my ends. I also did not like that about it either, because my twist started to unravel. The product didn't have, that's the thing, it does not have enough hold. Because in every product that has some type of hold, I would not have experienced this. Like, my ends are super bushy. They did not like stay coiled together. I'm just really not feeling this. Like, I just want to put it up in a bun. This ain't it. I mean, it's definitely not entirely bad. This is just not the look that I'm used to when I have a twist out. Like, I know that my hair is all one length, but there's no, it's just flat. It's literally just flat. And I know I didn't put too much oil because I use the same amount of oil every time. I didn't even apply more oil as I like started separating. So the oil that I put on my hair, rubbed it into my scalp, and I kept whatever was left in my hands, I used to take the twist, like to unravel them. But when it was time to actually separate the strands, I didn't put any more oil on my hair. And it's just super oily and weighed down. So I'm not feeling this. Not feeling it. KeraCare, I definitely give you a 10 out of 10 for moisture, but there is no hold. But thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just really not feeling this. Like, my energy is down because I've been working out like a crazy person. I gained 10 pounds like since this quarantine, and I know some of it has to be muscle because I've been working out like crazy, but still, like, I don't like that. But my energy is down, and I was expecting like my hair to be popping so I could feel like, oh, I'm about to take some selfies. But no, I look like I just came from a run. That's what I look like right now, and I'm just not feeling it. But if you watched this video and you got any feedback, definitely leave it in the comment section. If you like my hair, thank you. I really appreciate it. Taking in all of the virtual compliments, and I will not let this get the best of me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video with less oily hands. I don't even want to kiss this. Bye. I'm air kiss.